Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iMessage waiting for the activation error on iPhone. Sometimes you may see an iMessage waiting for activation error when trying to activate iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. This prevents you from using the messaging services. If you don't know why this is happening or are trying hard to figure out the solution, let me help. This video explains why you may see the waiting for activation error and how to fix it. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is check if you can send text messages or not. For iMessage activation, your iPhone sends a standard SMS text message. Thus, it is a visual to ensure it can send it. After this, all you have to do is ensure iPhone has Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. To activate iMessage, your iPhone must have a working internet connection. Open Safari or YouTube app and try visit a website or play a video. If it's load, your internet is working fine. Then our step number 3 is set the correct date and time settings. iMessage activation also requires the correct date and time settings. You have to open the settings and then tap on general, tap on date and time, and you have to make sure that set automatically is enabled on your iPhone. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to turn airplane mode on and off on iPhone. This is a pretty easy and neat hack that often fixes issues like this. You can enable and disable the airplane mode from iPhone control center or using the settings app. Like I have enabled it and then wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. People are often tempted to ignore this fix, but please understand that turning off your mobile, computer, router, or any device and turning it back on is a great way to address numerous problems. Thus, to fix iMessage activation problem, go ahead and restart your iPhone. So guys, to restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings and then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to open your software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset network settings on your iPhone. This is one of the initial fixes for iMessage activation error. When you follow the steps, all your network settings will reset. Personal data like apps, photos, videos, etc. are not affected. So you have to simply scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.